Hey y'all, Audra here at HomeCraft. It's fall in Michigan and you might think that you've lost your chance to find your home. But listen, let me tell you, I've got the perfect one for you. It's here at 10400 Circle J Court in Fenton, Michigan. This house is one you don't want to miss. It's a 3-bedroom, 3 full bath ranch with a fully finished walkout basement and a second kitchen. You got your 2-car garage, but you also have a 2-story pole barn for your recreational vehicles. And I know all y'all Michiganders love those. So let's go inside and take a look. So I hope you loved everything you saw today. This, on 11 plus acres of land, could be yours. Give me a call to set up a private showing or email me. My number is 248-692-4263 or email me at audra@homecraftteam.com. I can't wait to talk to you.